Hi guys, this is Coach Check Wizon again from Freestyle MMA Ohana BJJPH, and this is our 5th day of the home workout for beginners series, and today we will be doing lunges, shoulder presses, and lumberjacks. Before we start the workout, I'll be teaching you guys the form of the lunges. Yung lunges guys, ano lang siya, parang variation siya ng squat. Yung pagkakaiba lang niya guys is you just need to step forward, but remember when you step forward, hindi dapat nagpo-point yung knee mo forward. You should be doing the technique or the form going down. Kamukha pa rin siya ng squat. Ganito yung sample niya. Okay, from this position guys, I want you to have a really good base. Tapos yung gagawin mo lang is ibababa mo yung back knee mo. Kung mapapansin mo, hindi ko itutulak yung sarili ko forward ng ganito kasi hindi ganun nagla-lunge guys. Yung nangyayari, nagkakaroon tayo ng problem sa front knee natin. Yung gagawin lang natin is ibababa mo lang yung back knee mo sa mat. Here. Mafe-feel mo yung stretch, then go up. Sa kabilang side naman. Okay? Make sure you have good base. Here. Gitna. Kasi baba mo lang yung back knee mo. Mapapansin nyo, hindi nagli-lean forward tong knee ko. Okay, so hopefully nakuha nyo yung form ng lunges. Yung second form na ituturo ko sa inyo guys is yung form ng shoulder press. Pwede kayong gumamit ng weights. Kung wala kayong weights, you could use books, water bottles, kahit ano na pwedeng balance sa arms nyo, dapat same weight. Then i-lift nyo lang siya pataas. Yung pattern niya, you should have your elbows in and they need to go up. Ganun lang siya. In, up. Sa position na to, here, in, up. Tandaan, nakikita nyo, chest out, dikit yung shoulder blade, tsaka laging nakadikit yung trap mo. Here. Yun yung form ng shoulder press guys. Yung third form na ituturo ko sa inyo guys, yung form ng lumberjacks. Yung form ng lumberjacks, you could hold on to anything. Kung gusto nyo ng weights, kung gusto nyo ng books, kung gusto nyo ng water bottles, anything na pwede nyo hawakan, any squeeze. Yung position lang niya guys, is you tighten your core, na parang nanghahampas ka lang ng axe. From here, you put your hands forward, tight chest. Tandaan nyo, hindi dapat gumagalaw yung hip. Lagay nyo lang siya dito sa side na to. Then, go down. Up, down. Up, down. Same lang siya sa kabila. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Tandaan nyo, lagi dapat tight yung core nyo. Dahil sa core workout siya and oblique workout siya. Sana nakuha nyo yung form ng lumberjacks. So guys, tapos na tayo sa mga forms. Ngayon, gagawin na natin yung workout natin. Yung workout natin for today is you do 10 lunges on each leg, 10 repetitions ng shoulder press. I'll be using weights to upgrade the difficulty. Tapos lumberjacks tayo. Maghawak din ako ng medicine ball to increase the difficulty. Gagawa rin tayo ng 10 reps on each side. Okay? This is our first set. That was our first set. Set number 2. That's the end of set number 2. Set number 3. Hi guys, that's set number 3. Set number 4. That's our 4th set. 1 set to go. Oh. That's the end of our 5th set. Hopefully guys, you guys are committed to the workouts. Hopefully, meron ng results sa inyo, especially sa cardio nyo, sa endurance nyo, sa stability nyo. We want everybody to improve, This is like online coaching, but remember guys, I'm giving it for free. I'm helping the community, and as much as possible guys, I want to continue doing this. The only way you could help me is to put a like on the video, put a comment, share it to your friends, and just subscribe. If we could reach a certain goal, I could help more, sponsor more people in regards with fitness and jiu-jitsu, and I could post more videos. And also, I could invite people, professional people, I could collaborate with them. Hopefully you done your workout today. Have fun, have enough rest, drink water. Take care guys, and God bless.